Hey Money Magnets, are you ready to learn about the best balance transfer credit cards from Bank of America with no impact to your credit score? Well, no worries, because we're going to show you how to get to the bag.
Hey, look, Gloria, let's show them these 0% cards where they can save so much money on interest for at least like 18 months. Let's go over to the computer.
Let's go. Okay, Money Magnets, let's dive into the first card. We have the Bank of America Custom Cash Rewards card. This card gives you a $200 online cash reward bonus offer. And another thing about these cards, Marvin, they all have a 0 annual fee. That's amazing.
Yeah, it is. And look, you can earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice, automatic 2% cash back at grocery stores, wholesale clubs. Like Gloria and I, we shop at Costco and Sam's all the time. So this would be great for us to get cash back. And the thing about it, you can choose your category. So let's say you got a gas car or you got an electric vehicle. You can choose which category you want, cable, internet. I love this card because you can choose the category that you want to earn 3% cash back so you can make it fit your lifestyle. Also, you guys, you get 0% for 15 billing cycles for purchases for any balance transfers made within the first 60 days of opening the account. Also, Bank of America Preferred Rewards members earn 25 to 75% more on every purchase.
Marvin, that right there is a cash flow changer, because with that 0% interest, Marvin, we always talk about doing balance transfer. Because if you have high utilization, this will help you be able to pay those balances down a lot faster.
Yeah, and that's like a year and 3 months. It could save you a lot of interest. So if you guys are ready for this card, this could be a good one, but wait till we tell you about the other cards.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the next card, which is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards card. So you get a $200 online cash reward bonus offer to start off with this card.
Right.
The second thing is you earn unlimited 1.5% cash back. That right there, Marvin.
Yeah.
Cash back, and it's unlimited. Most cards cap you.
Yep. And then look, no limit to the amount of cash back you earn, and cash rewards do not expire as long as you have the account and it remains open. Also, 0% for 15 billing cycles for purchases and for balance transfers made within the first 60 days of opening the account. And remember, Bank of America Preferred Rewards members earn 25 to 75% more cash back. So Gloria, this is a great card. Let's go ahead and go to the next one.
So next is going to be the Bank America card.
Nice.
That is nice, right? I like the sound of that, Marvin. Okay, so let's talk about what this card has to offer. Now, this card has 0 annual fees, and I love the fact that it saves you on interest.
Yeah, you know what? You also get 0% for 18 billing cycles for purchases and for balance transfers made within the first 60 days. No penalty APR. Paying late won't actually raise your interest rate, which that's good, because usually with a lot of cards, if you pay late, your interest rate skyrockets. With this card, you can also access your FICO score for free with online banking. Also, guys, we didn't say it, but make sure you set up a check account. That's how you get into their preferred rewards program and you get those exclusive benefits.
I like exclusive benefits, Marvin. Whenever you sign up with a card and they have like special benefits for you, it's so worth it. So make sure you check that out.
All right, Glo, we got one more card to go. Let's do it.
Okay, we're going to dive into my favorite, the Bank of America Travel Rewards. Everyone knows that I like to travel, and everyone knows that I like to swipe. So those rewards points can always help me when it comes to traveling.
They can.
With this card, it gives you a $25,000 online bonus points offer, which is valued at like $250.
Right.
And no annual fee once again.
Yeah, and with all these cards, you can tap. I don't know about you guys, but I've been getting really used to that, tapping instead of swiping. So you can do that with these cards. You can earn unlimited 1.5 for every dollar you spend on all purchases everywhere, every time, no matter what. Use your card to book your trip how and where you want with no blackout dates. And you can pay yourself while you're doing it. Also, guys, to me, the main feature 0% intro APR for the first 15 billing cycles for purchases and for balance transfers. You got to love these cards that are having problems with utilization, or you need to get some interest down on a high interest card that you're paying. Transfer these balances and save for almost a year and 3 months. That's a long time.
And not only that, Marvin, look at all of the benefits and rewards that you receive just by using this card on a day-to-day basis. You get to choose your cash back. You know, there are so many amazing benefits until this right here is most definitely in my top 5 for a cash flow changer card.
Exactly. So let's get ready to do a recap, Glory.
Okay, let's keep in mind you need to have at least a 680 credit score. And Bank of America tends to pull Experian, but keep in mind, sometimes they will pull TransUnion.
Look, and if you guys are having trouble with your credit score, I'm going to leave a video card up top where you guys can watch a video about how to fix your credit with AI.
Yes, Marvin, because there's no more excuses for bad credit.
Yes.
But let me drop something. Yay! I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for supporting our channel. We just got monetized.
Yes.
And we want to thank all of our watchers and our viewers for, being a part of this great success for us. So continue to like and subscribe.
And also make sure you share this video. If you can't use it, share it with somebody else that can. And if you have any experience with Bank of America, make sure you leave comments below. And even if you're going to apply, let us know what happens.
And most definitely, don't forget to leave comments below. Or if you would like to see another video on a different subject, let us know, because we're here to empower your finances.
And make sure you check out this next video about how to add a $25,000 primary trade line to your credit to boost your score. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.